Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Mystical Dani. So let's see what are the messages coming in love for you. This is a general reading. Please see how it resonates with you. If not, you can ignore the readings. For more accurate and personal readings, you can reach out to me. So let's see what's happening right now in love in your life. Okay, you look like you're tired. You're tired of dealing with the situation, but I think your everything is running in your head. Actually, the situation may not be that much complicated, and you are just overthinking about it, and you are, kind of focusing on that you're struggling so much, but you have to understand that you have everything you are looking for to have a good life, and you need to stop overthinking. Okay, now let's see what's the next message for you. Okay, are you holding on to something? You are holding on your emotions. You are not able to express what is running in your mind. If that is the case, you need to let go of that emotion or let go of that person who is causing this energy in your life. Okay. Now, another message is also at the same time when you're holding on so many things, you might also be having this, this thing in your mind that you have kind of in the situation by maybe if you are not reaching out to the person because of some ego, or you are seeing like I am in the right place and I am not the one who is going to reach out, and I will have the upper hand kind of situation. So you need to let go of that issue also. Okay, there may be something that you have, you might be thinking of, I will not reach out, let the other person make the move. Okay, so if that is the energy, you need to just work on that. And now if you work on if you complete, if you complete all these things, I mean that if you overcome this issue of overthinking and not making stories in your head, let go of your ego if you have it, and let go of the possessive feeling in you, things will work in your favor. Okay, things will work in your favor. It's like you will have things how you expect it to turn out. Okay, let's see one more card for you. What's there? Okay, so you need to come out of your defensive mindset. If you have any, you may be thinking like, I am tired, I'm the one putting efforts all the time, why I should let go of everything, and why am I the only one to make the move? So come out of that defensive mindset. Okay, try to overcome that feeling and take the next steps. Let's see what is the next guidance for you. See, things will work in your favor, everything will be settled, everything will be stable, but you need to, look into what you really want in your life, and then things will turn out in your favor. So you need to have the mental clarity first of all on what you want and what you're looking for. Okay, that's the general reading, guys. Please see how it resonates with you. If you have liked it, please like to the reading and subscribe to my channel for daily tarot insights. Bye bye.